here is a awning that's several years old. It's Sunbrella black fabric. And let's see, maybe you can see here, we've patched it before. Obvious right here. And you can see some of our other work here from a few years ago. Well, just because the rope rail has come loose, needs to be put back in. So this is what we're doing, is looking at the awning, inspecting it to see what it's going to take to bring it back, make it work again. So anyway, here I am looking at this awning, and going to determine what it's going to take to bring it back and fix it. Anyway, this is Wayne with Specialized Maintenance Awning Cleaning Service here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Have a great day. Thanks for viewing the video. Bye-bye now.